Ya, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Ms. Ria Supiah Cahyati, and good morning, my friends. I'm Rizky Septian with student ID 2122 000 1. I'm from class B1, non-regular English Education Study Program, batch 2021. On these occasions, let me show you about what assessment form that I've done before, and I want to show you and present you about 4 assessments form: error corrections, gap filling, transformation, and essay question. So this is what have I done on my PC. Yeah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So on this chance, I want to present and show you about several assessment form that I've learned before in workshop instrumen evaluasi pembelajaran subject. So I have done my work about assessment form that I've created before. This is my job that I've created for final examination in workshop instrumen media pembelajaran subject. Yeah, this is my job sheet. At first of the sheet, I give the identity of the materials. So this is my name. This is the question type about gap filling, error correction, transformation, and essay questions. Before I create the assessment form or questions, I have to consist the materials to learn by students. So the material that I give on the sheet is carbon footprints. Before I give the materials or present the materials, I have to include or consist the several indicator or LKPD, that basic competency, indicator, and learning goals. In basic competency, I write 3 points that have to consist on the book: understanding and identifying the communicative purposes and the semantic structures of discussion text, identifying some of the linguistic features of discussion text, and showing and presenting that focuses on the discussion text. After basic competency, I have to write the indicator and learning goals. The indicator almost the same with basic competency. Indicator pointed by student. The student can knowing and identifying the communicative purposes and the semantic structures of discussion text. The student can identifying some of linguistic features of discussion text. And the student showing and presenting that focuses on discussion text. And the last is learning goals. The learner or students are expected to be able to know and identify the communicative purposes and the semantic structures of discussion text. The learner are expected to be able to identify some of linguistic features of discussion text. The learner are expected to be able to show and present that focuses on discussion text. So, some book, several do not consist the LKPD like this. In my learning in workshop instrumen media pembelajaran, I've learned that I have to write these 3 points before I give the material for students, like basic competency, indicator, and learning goals. After 3 points before, next is the material. The material is about carbon footprints. At least there are 10 pages that consist about the materials about carbon footprints. Yeah. Here is the material that can read by student or teacher before they write the question or the assessment. Like activity number 1. The student can discuss the questions in pairs or the pages before. Yeah. Here the material is conclude about what is the meaning of carbon footprint and the example of carbon footprints. Next is activity 2. Yeah. Here we can see about the several of part of speech. After the material about carbon footprint, we can see about part of speech. There are example of noun, adjective, pronoun, verb, and another part of speech that we can learn here. Yeah, there are activity of speaking, learning, reading in the material. After the material about footprints, we can see the material about sentence types: declarative, interrogative, exclamatory, imperative. In present simple tense, we can see about positive, negative, and question sentences. Yeah, this is also about the materials. Here, related about carbon footprints. Yeah. In the next page, we can look for the sentence types or sentence structure. We can see about contrastive conjunction. We can learn about tenses, active or passive voice. Yeah. Here is the assessment form. The first assessment form is gap filling. In gap filling or each question form, I write about 4 LOTS question or lower order thinking skill questions and 6 HOTS order thinking skill or higher order thinking skill. In LOTS questions and or lower order thinking skill, I read about the material that student can see or student can write based from the materials that I give before, like according to blah blah blah, a professor at Lancaster University in the UK. In the blank question or the blank sheet, the student have to write or fill the empty blank with a correct answer. So to answer the question, students can read again about the material. In HOTS or higher order thinking skill questions, this level is upper than lower order thinking skill question. The question consists about the intermediate or advanced question that students have to think and use their logical thinking to answer this question. So in HOTS or higher order thinking skill question is more difficult than lower order thinking skill, of course. And next is about error correction. On these form questions, same as before, there are 4 LOTS or lower order thinking skill question and 6 HOTS or higher order thinking skill. In error correction, students have to looking for the error of each question. For the example on LOTS, lower order thinking skill questions, new reports are writing by reporter. Look at the instruction. find the error of each sentences. So students have to find the error of each sentences and write the correct sentences in the answer blank. For HOTS questions, same as before. There are instructions of each questions. Like this, identifying the sentence and rewrite into the passive sentence. So, students have to identify what is the error or what is the incorrect part of this sentence and rewrite or change this sentence into the passive sentence. In transformation, there are lots and HOTS questions. For the example, instruction for number 1 until 4. Change the irregular sentences below into correct sentence. For this number, energy, fuel, save 2. Together, travel, people, and some. Students have to change these irregular sentences into regular sentence. This is number 5 until number 10 is higher order thinking skill. This form is more difficult or more harder than lots question. An essay, lots and HOTS question. In essay form or essay assessment form, students have to write their thinking or their ideas about the materials. For this number example, explain the meaning of the carbon footprint. Students have to answer and write their thinking or their idea about what is the meaning of carbon footprint based on their own opinion or their own word or sentences. Write 3 examples of carbon footprint, explain the cycle of carbon footprint, and explain the meaning of greenhouse gases. HOTS, higher order thinking skill. Like lots questions, in essay form or essay assessment, students have to show and present, convert to right form, to provide or prove their idea in answer. For the example number 5 until number 10, those are several parts of speech like verb, noun, and adjective. Explain the difference of them. So for the example of these questions, students have to write the difference of verb, noun, and adjective. And another example, write your NINB activity daily, which is mentioned as emissions. So students or learner have to write based their experience about gas or emission. After the questions, I prove the answer key of each sentences form or assessment form. This is answer key for gap filling questions. This is answer key for error correction questions. This is for transformation questions and answer key of essay questions. I use Google Form to make easier the student to write their answer on Google Form. So the students can access this link into Google Form to answer their assessment. The students can answer their questions or these questions in Google Form that can access on their phone or their laptop, PC, on tablet. After they answer or fill this assessment, they can see direct their score or value. Okay, thank you for your attention. So that's all of my video presentation about assessment form as gap filling, error correction, transformation, and SI. So that's all from me. I'm sorry for any mistaken. I'm Rizky Septian. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.